Okay, Daddy and Mommy will be the one to wish for Candice, and then Candice will blow her candle. Okay, ready? Okay, blow. Okay, ready? Make a wish. Sige, make a wish, Mom. 1, 2. Wait, hindi ka mo blow, ha? Hindi ka mo blow, wait. Okay, dali. Sige, ready?
JJ, masaya makaigo sa
Uy, ayaw, ikaw mo blow. Ayaw blow, kuya.
Ano ba, makaigo?
Kuya, ayaw ka blow, kuya.
Yan na, ipadool niya.
Okay na, tabangin mo. 1, 2, 3. Sige, blow mo. Yay!